Now it's done. Okay, let me just go clean the inside now. Looks like this is fine. That's fine. Looks a bit messy over here. But we can do that. We can fix that. Okay, that's clean. Hair back. And then put this over there. Let's try to put it there. That's done. I'm gonna move this over here, that one over there, and then I'm gonna put this. Oh, you want to escape? Escape that one. And we put it back in. And then we're done with the cleaning. Yeah, it's done. Let's get into it. Food, anyone? Food, anyone? Food for just cheap prices. Good quality food. Anyone want some food? Oh, Mom, should we get some food? Oh, there's some popsicles too. Come on, let's go. Okay, sweetie, come on, let's go. Hi, I'd like to buy some food. Oh, sure. Would you like me to pass you the menu? Sure, I'm new to this, so why not? Okay, just give me a minute. Here you go. Thank you, I'll read it. Okay, let me just move this here. Okay, so I would like to buy a hot dog, fries, 2 popsicles, 2 slushes, please. Your total will be $9.99, please. Okay, here you go. Thank you. I'll give you your change once you get your order. One order, one hot dog, one mini fries, and 2 slushes and 2 popsicles. Coming up, boss. Alright, let's move this basket over here, and then I'll start turning it on. Let me just find the button. Okay, boop. I'll do the sponge, and let's turn it. Wait, it's not on. Boop. And boop. Okay, let's twist it. Okay. It's nearly there. Okay, and ready. Let's see if the buns are ready. Let me just turn this off real quick. Yep, they are. Okay, let's put the meat in there now. Okay, now I'm looking good. Okay, let's put it in the basket now. Okay, and then we're gonna make the other one. Okay, and then let's turn on the one. And then we start doing this. I'll just hold on to the handle. Okay, and done. Let me just go get the plate. This. Open the plate. Put some in. Okay, and time for the slush. Okay, let's get the. Okay, and let's get that ready. Okay, and done. And we also need popsicles. Let's see. Okay, look at these. Put that in the basket too. Hey. Okay, now let's give it to them. Oh, and the boss shall give them something, a mystery surprise, because they were the first customers. Sure, let's give them one. I'll make the rainbow doll. I'll make the special doll. Okay, carry on. Oh, and the boss take the order, will ya? Sure. Let's get a spoon and fork for them. I'll put those here, because they are already washed. How's it go, Olivia? Great. Okay, now I've got to shape it. Okay, and done. Order number 1 ready. Oh, that's us, sweetie. Stay here. Okay, Mom. Oh, thank you. Here's your money again. Thanks. Do you mind if we eat like here? Sure. Come on, I'll get the chair. Dum-de-doo, dum-de-da. There you go. Thanks. Come see on the table. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give you your food now. There. There. And there. Put your popsicle there. Okay, and I'll get my food. Like that. There. And okay. Oh, what's this? This must be ours. They said that we're the first customer. Okay, sweetie. Okay, I'll eat now. Let me get a drink first. Gotta be careful. Mom, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Yum. This hot dog is delicious. Oh, can I try, Mom? Sure. Yum. You wanna try my fries? Sure. Nearly fell. Swear this chair. Anyway. Here, Mom. Yum. Okay, now what got rid of the fruit? I'm gonna try the popsicles now. Okay, my one's orange. I'll hold it. Yum. Orange. Hey, sweetie, you want to sit on the chair? Yes, please, Mom. I keep on falling. Okay. Thanks, Mom. The popsicles there to try the mystery dish. Okay. I'll use the spoon and I'll use the fork. Yum. You try it, sweetie. It's your cake. Okay, let me just get a spoon. Really good. Yum 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 yum. Thanks for the food. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.